Combining 540 cubic inches of buff Merlin big block with a stout turbo-hydromatic 4-speed and a thoroughly reimagined suspension, this buff 69 Camaro draws big crowds and big compliments. The impressive scroll of components rolls in a detailed ground-up restoration that was completed in late 2017. Slick silver 2-stage seems smooth as silk over solid body panels that are straight and well aligned, and that alignment serves as an excellent canvas for painted supersport stripes. Those stripes begin at an SS branded grille and are augmented by Rally Sport headlights, a ZL2 Cal induction hood, and D80 spoilers. Between the doors, you'll find a stylish black interior that features choice upgrades where it counts. Multi-point Simpson harnesses join modern leather seats to provide far more support than old-school factory buckets. A padded dash wraps reliable odometer gauges complete with a GPS speedometer and a slick instrument panel. A TCI Outlaw shifter puts the power down and works well with a Chevrolet rally wheel. Power takes the form of massive 540 cubic inch Merlin 3 wizardry that turns an incredible 717 dyno-proven horsepower into 706 pound-feet of torque. A 2600 to 2800 RPM stall kicks a tough 200 R4 4-speed that spins a Ford 9-inch with a locking differential. Combining incredible performance with timeless aesthetics and an athletic demeanor, this killer custom puts the pro in Pro Street. And best of all, being a first-generation Camaro, it'll always be one of the most in-demand classics on the planet. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.